Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Sekri and this is in continuation with my last two videos where I was talking about how to make your child a successful and efficient leader. So now in this video we are going to talk about the second skill that is required for a child to become a better leader, and that is understanding how to negotiate. Now this may seem like a very difficult task to do, however in reality it's actually very simple to teach children how to negotiate. Now, kids are in such a position that they always have to ask for permission for most of the things that they do. Now, this dynamic gives them an opportunity to understand how to negotiate. You can help your child understanding the skill of negotiation by asking them why should they do what elders are telling them to do. You can ask them reasons as to why do they think the decision that the elders have made for them is better. Having such a conversation with children will help them build reasoning skills, which is very important when it comes to being a successful leader. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next part, I'm going to talk about the third and the last skill, which is very important for a child to grow up to be a successful leader.